Exxon's burden of knowledge. Exxon's extensive research on climate change in the 1970s indicated a strong likelihood that burning fossil fuels would lead to global temperature rise. The company hid these results and even campaigned against those who came to similar conclusions because such findings might damage their business. Environmental degradation has accelerated since then, which has adversely impacted the ecosystem and millions of people in it. In 1977, Exxon's senior scientist, James Blhv, first reported to his company that burning fossil fuels significantly increases the Earth's temperature. Exxon disregarded this warning and chose instead to support initiatives to discredit climate science, such as the Global Climate Coalition. They also lobbied against policies or agreements which supported reducing carbon emissions because those might directly impact their prime revenue stream. The scientific consensus has eventually caught up, but it could have happened early enough to curb considerable releases. Acknowledging climate change and reducing emissions may have led to either reduced fuel sales or increasing costs for control technology in Exxon's eyes. Since neither of these options seemed financially palatable at the time, they elected to undermine the plausibility of global warming itself. The company has spent millions of dollars and several decades denying what is a seemingly obvious scientific conclusion. The result has been an unnecessarily elongated and unhealthy discord about energy policy. Exxon could have been honest early on and used their status as an energy industry leader to guide a collaborative policy debate in a way that enhanced their own business interests. Whether carbon taxes, biofuels, or anything else appeared to be a viable solution, there's no reason that Exxon could not have strategically positioned itself to profit immensely under those frameworks. This dishonesty was damaging to external stakeholders and has further eroded public trust in a company now viewed as an environmental foe. When faced with a decision between publicly acknowledging its own externalities or protecting its revenue stream, Exxon chose the latter and engaged in a deceitful campaign to undermine climate science over 4 decades.